Good evening, everybody. My name is Becky Rivas, and I have an offer for you guys. And it was at the 6 o'clock p.m. training that we had on live on Facebook. It was by Aaron Birch. I have an offer, and I have asked us to give it to you if you want to take a look into it. And also, what it teaches is basically how how to get leads, how to get signups, how to get more um 15, you'll get a 15 model step by step to show you what to do and how to prosper your business on Facebook the correct way. So if you would like to offer, let me know. I have the information to give you, and just take a look at it and see if you're interested. And I'll be posting this in groups. And again, my name is Becky. I come from Logansport, Indiana, and I help small business owners who are struggling to make income. And this is a good way to make income. If you just take a look at the offer that I have, you'll see why a lot of people are just really happy with it. And you can see all their testimonials. You can see all the ways that they have progress, not just 1 month, but 3 months, 6 months down the line, you will see a big progress in your business. So if you would like this, let me give you the information. Say information, and I will give it to you. Hi, Lorena. How are you? Thank you for hopping on. This is a special that I'm giving out by Aaron Birch, and it's a three payment. There are payment options if you cannot pay the whole thing, but at least you can take a look at it and see if this might help your business, because she gives out steps and steps by 15 modules and how to do it, how to set up your profile, how to monetize your profile. It's just really awesome, basically. Anyways, it's to help you get more sales, to help you get more leads, and basically signups, and it teaches you all that. And it was really, it was a lot of money before, but she gave a real big discount. So if you would like the information, just say, give me the information, and all you have to do is just sign in with your name and your email, and that's it. You're not being charged for anything. You're just looking at it. And if you want this information, let me know in the drop down box. And thank you for hopping on with me, Aaron. And if you like my video, share it with other people, because I have this offer, and it's only good into midnight. So if you cannot pay for the whole thing, there are payment options that you can choose from. Okay, so here you go, and just say I want the information, and I'll give it to you. Thank you. Have a good night.